Welcome to Hawkshead, and this quick look in under 5 minutes at this place in the lakes. Now I'm on my bike for this one because we're going to head out of Hawkshead at the end of this video. More about that in a couple of minutes. But it's also a chance to show you how Hawkshead is relatively car free. You see, this road that I'm on now loops all the way around the village, and you see where those cars are coming out just in front of us now. That's the entrance to a big car park which keeps most of the cars, not all but most, out of the village centre. Let's go for a look. So here we are, this is the main car park just outside the village, and there's some places just up ahead so that I can park the bike. As we leave the car park, as in every Lake District village, there's a place to buy outdoor gear and a sign that says it costs 60 pence to spend a penny. That's inflation for you. As you walk into Hawkshead, you can see why they tried to keep cars out of the middle of the village. It's because the streets are extremely narrow. This is the main square, and you've got a nice gallery over this way. The village hall is just here. There's an art and design fair going on right now. Oh, a red telephone box with a defibrillator in it. And nice pubs and places to eat. As with all Lake District villages, lots and lots of tea shops and coffee shops. Whitewashed cottages are a signature design of Lake District architecture. And down here is one of these narrow little alleyways that would have been a main thoroughfare, I guess, in its day. But it's a lovely little village to explore for all its little back lanes and hidden nooks and crannies. Hawkshead is definitely not short of pubs. I've counted 3 within a 1-minute walk of each other. So you're not going to go thirsty. There's a little co-op here, just in case you need some supplies. William Wordsworth came here as a child. In fact, he lived here for a while and went to the grammar school in Hawkshead. And there's a museum to Hawkshead Grammar School where they've got an old schoolroom that's set up to look like the times when William Wordsworth was here. So quite a lot of history here. Such a lot of history in the architecture if you really look for it. I mean, look at that old door there. People must have been about 4'6" in the old days. There's some specialist food shops here as well. There's the only Grasmere gingerbread shop that's outside Grasmere. You can find out about Grasmere gingerbread in my video. Funnily enough, about Grasmere, link coming up. There's an ice cream shop. And you know what I said about pubs earlier on? Well, if the pubs are shut, there's even a shop here that specialises in selling beer. This is the church just off the village square, and it has the most fantastic view. Imagine coming out the church door and looking at that. Coming back down into the square now. Don't park here. That's the vicar's parking space. So that's it for the centre of the village of Hawkshead. It's a very small place. We're now going back to the bike via the fudge shop and this brightly coloured cow. Right, we're heading out of Hawkshead now towards the hamlet of Sawrey and the home of another giant of literature, Beatrix Potter. But on the way, we're going to pass by one of the most beautiful lakes. It's Esthwaite, and it's about a mile outside of Hawkshead. And here is the very beautiful Esthwaite. It's one of my favourite lakes, actually. I don't see it often enough. I see a lot of Windermere and a lot of Grasmere and a lot of Rydal, but I don't see a lot of Esthwaite, and I'm always struck by how beautiful it is. So here we are in the hamlet of Sawrey, which is where Beatrix Potter's house Hilltop is. We're not actually going to go up to Hilltop. We're going to stop here at the Tower Bank Arms, which actually features in Potter's book The Tale of Jemima Puddleduck. Now in her book there's a horse and cart in front of the pub. Today there's a white transit van. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video looking around Hawkshead, and I'll see you in the next one.